So boys, this is your math class and we are going to start our semester 2 week 1 with the new lesson. So the name of our lesson is measuring time. It is on page number 25 of your learner's book. So boys, be ready with your books. So in this lesson, we are going to learn different units of times. How can we measure time and what are units of times? So first of all, let's see what are the vocabulary words, or you can say the words that to remember in this lesson. Time, minutes, seconds, hours, and tally. We can measure time in hours, minutes, seconds, and tally. So, what are these? These all are units of time. With the help of these, we can measure the time. So, we are going to discuss it one by one. First of all, see on your page and see the first picture. Joe uses a 1 minute sand timer to record how long his brother can keep a football in the air. So these are sand timer, okay? This is 1 minute and this is for 30 minutes. And even the time we can write in tally. The tally I'm going to discuss in further. For now, see. Okay, this is tally 2 minutes. What about this? 1, 2, 3. So here are 3 minutes. He record his results in the table below. This is how you can show your data in the form of table. Time, minutes, and seconds. So we are going to talk about the time in minutes and seconds. So A is 1 minute, B is 30 seconds, C is 2 minutes. What about D, boys? What is D? D is 3 minutes. So write in your table in the book 3 minutes. D is 3 minutes. So this is different time period that he noticed that his brother can hold the ball in the air. Okay. So here we are measuring times in minutes and seconds. First in A, he hold the ball 1 minute. In B, 30 seconds. C, 2 minutes. And D, 3 minutes. So complete the table in your book. Write 3 minutes. Okay, boys, after this, we can measure with the help of, with the time, with the help of stopwatch. If you see on your page of the book, there are 3 watch. These watches are called stopwatch. What are they called, boys? Stopwatch. They are measuring the time in seconds, and when the red needle is on 60, it is 1 minute. Okay, so when this red needle is going to go on 60, it means 1 minute. So let's find out what is the time on each clock. Number 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So what is the time on the first watch, boys? 25 seconds. On the second watch, we have 40 seconds. And in the last, we have 50 seconds, 55 seconds, sorry. It is on 55. So when the needle is going to move on 60, we will say it is 1 minute. Okay. So the seconds are small, minutes are big. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So this we are going to write in the notebook later on. Okay, boys, write under the each watch how many seconds are there on your book, learner's book. You can write it on your learner's book, page number 25. You can write under the each watch what is or how many seconds is shown on each watch. So under the watch, you can write how many seconds, 25 seconds, 40 seconds, and 55 seconds. How could you use this analog stopwatch to record a time of over 60 minutes? So next is one watch, and he's asking how we can use this stopwatch to measure the time over 60 seconds. So when the watch is going to move on 60, we will keep it in our mind. It is 1 minute. So when it is again going to complete its circle and comes on 60, we will say it is 2 minutes. So like this, we can count the time, seeing the needle, how many time it is completing its circle from 60 and it is coming back to 60. So when it starts from the 60 and comes back to the 60, it means it has completed 1 minute. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. Okay, see, how long did it take Mikhail to walk around the classroom 3 times? So this is Mikhail, and he is walking around the class 3 times, and we have measured the time with the help of a watch, and on the watch it takes 3 minutes and 23 seconds. How many? 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Understand, boys? So Mikhail took 3 minutes and 23 seconds to walk around the classroom 3 times. He took 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, boys, now we are going to talk about tally. What is tally? So first of all, we are going to see the definition of tally. Counting in tally. What is counting in tally? A tally is a continuous count of something like the number of words in a document or the numbers of favors your best friend owes you. To tally is to add up. like keeping the score of a game. Okay, so what tally means? To add up. And how can we count in tally, boys? With the help of lines. So one line tell us it is 1, 2, 3. 3 lines mean 3. 4 lines means 4. And the 5 line is going to cut. Look here in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after each 4 set, the 5th line is going to intersect the 4 lines. Okay, what the 5th line is going to do? It is going to cut the 4 lines. Okay, so this is how we can count in tally. What tally means, boys? To add up, like we add the scores of games. So this is how you can count. Counting in tally is super easy. You are going to make the number of lines according to the number. So let's see what is those numbers and how can we write them in tally. Here, 1. So 1, we are going to write it with the help of 1 line. 2 with the help of 2 lines. 3 with the help of 3 lines. 4 with the help of 4 lines. And 5. 5th line is going to intersect the 4 lines every time. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th line is intersecting the four lines. So this is how we can write 5. Okay, so whenever we are going to write 5 numbers in tally, we are going to make 4 lines, and 5th line is going to cut the 4 lines. Okay, 6. This is the set of 5, and with the 5 we are going to put 1 line. 7. 4 lines, 5 lines, the set of 5 lines, and 2. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how we are going to write the numbers in the tally form. Boys, I want you people to write this in your math notebook so that you can understand how we can write a number into tally form with the help of lines, and after the fourth line, 5th line is going to intersect the 4 lines, and the rest of the lines are going to continue as it is. So you can say that first we are making the set of 5, and the rest of the lines we are going to write separate. See here in the 10, we have set of 2 5s. 5 and 5 makes 10. So write these in your math notebook, and I'm going to check it afterwards. Hurry up, boys. Complete your numbers in the tally form in your notebook.